Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar. Today we are going to continue our class 8 math subject. Okay, so in our previous class we have learned the factorization, how to do factorization, and there we have learned the factorization by taking common and factorization by making a group. Okay, but today's class we are going to do the factorization of difference of 2 square. Okay, for example, if there is a square minus b square, so what will be the factor of a square minus b square? What will be the factor? As a formula also we know the factor of a square minus b square is your a plus b, a minus b. Okay, we can use this as a formula because here it is a multiply sign. Okay, a square minus b square, the factor of a square minus b square is your a plus b, a minus b. Okay, similarly the question may come factorize x square minus 1. So you need to find the factor of x square minus 1. So what we can do here, we can simply do here x square means okay, no problem, x square. So 1 can we write here, 1 square, is there any problem? No. So this x we will take it as a, and this x will take it as a, and 1 will take as b. Just similarly what we can write here, a plus b means here we can write here a plus b means x plus 1. Okay, and another is here x minus 1. Okay, similarly here a square minus b square, if there is we can write a plus b, a minus b. Similarly here x square minus 1 square, if there is, then what we can write here, we can write here x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, similarly it is not always necessary that there is always a and b, x and 1. Okay, there may be any number or variable, but they must be in the difference of 2 square form. Okay, for example the question may be 9x square minus 16y square. Okay, so first of all let us make them in the form of difference of 2 square. That is your, can we write this as 9 means it is the square number of 3, square of 3, that is your 3x whole square. 9x square we can write here 3x whole square. Okay, if we use the bracket here, this is square is for 3 and x for both. Okay, minus 16y square we can write here 4y its whole square. Okay, square, this square is for 4 also, and this square is for y also. Okay, now this both will act as a, and this 4y whole will act as b. So now what will be our factor? That is your 3x plus 4y. Okay, a plus b, like similarly 3x minus 4y. This is our another factor. Okay, so there may be some more questions which you may feel difficult. Okay, let's try that question also. Okay, the question may be 16z square minus x minus y whole square. Okay, the question is like this, suppose. So what we can do here, again similarly what we have to do, we have to change it in the form of difference of 2 square. That is, this we can write as 16z square, we can write as 4z whole square minus this leave as it is, x minus y whole square. Now this 4z will act as a, and x minus y whole will act as b. So now we can write here 4z plus this whole, that is your, in place of b there is your x minus y. So there are two terms, so I will write in bracket x minus y. Okay, and another term is here 4z, that is a minus b, that is a 4z minus x minus y. Why I have used here bracket? In plus one, no problem, there will be no problem, like we will get the answer as 4z plus into plus x plus into minus y. In plus one, like a plus b, if there is a positive negative, there is no problem, same sign you will get there. But if there is, in case of a minus b, their minus sign, 4z minus into plus, here is the plus sign, what will get here? Minus x minus into minus plus y. Due to this negative sign, the sign changes here. Okay, so there might be the chances of making mistake, so I have used here bracket. Means this is your 4z here, it is acting as a, and x minus y, whole x minus y is acting as b. So here a plus b means here 4a, this is your a, plus x minus y is your b. Okay, a square minus b square formula is your a plus b, a minus b, so 4z plus x minus y, like a plus b. Okay, here 4z is your a minus x minus y is your b. So here no problem, you will get the same thing, but due to this negative sign here while opening, okay, after opening the sign changes, so be careful in such type of questions. Okay, so our next type of factorization is factorizing, okay, factorization of trinomials or the perfect square type. Okay, the question will be given in perfect square. Okay, so perfect square, I mean to say factorization of this we have done as difference of two square. Now we are going to do factorization of the perfect square type. Okay, perfect square type means here either they will be in the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Okay, so they may be factorization of the perfect square. Okay, for example, they may be, okay, either a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we see such type of expression, a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write there as a plus b whole square. Okay, here a plus b whole square simply represent your a plus b into a plus b. Okay, or it may be in the form like a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you can write here a minus b whole square. It means here a minus b into a minus b. Okay, so this type of factorization you may get. For example, if I say here, okay, before entering in such type of question, let's do some of the questions that revise you for this. Okay, so first of all, suppose here a square plus dash is there plus 9 is there. Okay, so here plus means you see the formula here a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what will be in the missing term here? Okay, so for that what you do, this is your square term a square, this is another square term, that is your 3 square. So according to this formula, okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square, these two terms you have in the square term. Okay, what must be in the middle? That is a 2, a is your same a, b is your 3. Okay, here it is the multiply sign. So what will get here? 2 3 is a 6a, that is your 6a must be here. Okay, a square plus 6a plus 9. Okay, in the missing term there must be 6a. Okay. Similarly, suppose if there is 9x square minus missing term plus 36. Okay. So first of all, you have to see here the square term. That is, the square term is here 3x square with 3x whole square. Okay. This is just 6 whole square. So now here it is a minus sign. So according to this minus 1 formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, what it must be here? 2a is your 3x, b is your 6. So what will you get here? Just multiply here. 2 3 is 6, 6 6 is 36. That is your 36x. Here it must be 36x. Okay. So why I have done such type of fill in the blanks type question here? Because while using the formula, you might be confused there. Okay, these steps you should know there. Okay, so the question may come now. Let's do the factorization now. Okay, now we will do the factorization. So our first factorization is, suppose x square plus 8x plus 16. So we have to factorize it. Okay, so while factorizing such type of question, perfect square type question, we have to see the square terms here. Okay, so this is your square term, x square. Okay, no problem. This is another square term, 4. 16 means 4 whole square. Okay, this I have written as 16 4 square and x as x square. Okay, now in the middle it must be 2ab, in the form of 2ab. Okay, so plus 2 is your 2. Okay, a is your according to this formula. Okay, this formula 2ab, 2 I have written. A is your this term, that is your x. 2a is your x and b must be this. What is your 4? Okay, so here it is the multiply sign. Check it whether you will get the same or not. 2 into x into 4, 8x. Here also 8x, means formula is okay. So what we can write in place of a? See here, the x is in place of a. This is your b, and here 2ab. So if it is exactly matching with this formula. Okay, so what we can write here? If exactly matching with this formula means a plus b whole square we can write. But here in place of a is your x, in place of b is your 4. That is your x plus 4 whole square. Okay, this is your factor for this question. Okay. Similarly, the question may be, suppose the question is here 4x square minus 16x plus 16. Okay, now let's factorize it. For this again we have to see the square term. So this is your square term. 4x square means what we can write here? 2x whole square. Okay, this 16 we can write as 4 whole square. This 16 I have written as like this, and this 4x whole square, 4x square I have written as 2x whole square. So now in the middle what must be? A square term we have got, b square term we have got. We need not to write here a and b, but just make you understand I have written here. So in the middle we have to get here 2ab. That is a 2 is your 2a is your 2x. Okay, and b is your 4 into 4. This plus as it is plus. So let's multiply this, and while multiplying you must get this term, otherwise the formula will not match. Okay, let's multiply. 2 2 is a 4, 4 4 is a 16x. Okay, it is matching with it. Here we are just matching with 2ab. Okay, a is your 2x, b is your 4. Okay, it is matching with this formula. So what we can write here? A minus b whole square, that is a 2x minus 4 whole square. Okay, or we can take here 2 also as common. Okay, you can take 2 as common, so you will get here 2x minus 2 whole square. Okay, this square is for both, for 2 also and x minus 2 also, that is a 2 square is your 4 x minus 2 whole square. Or you can take this 2 common in the first step only. Okay, 4 16 16, this 2 not, this 4. Okay, you can take 4 common in the first step, then you can proceed in this way. Is it clear? So I will give you some question to practice based on factorization of difference of square and of factorization of perfect square type. Okay, so please you all try this type of question, it will be beneficial for you. So I'll not give you many questions. Okay, I'll give you a few questions, please you all try it. So for your practice, your question number 1 is factorize your a square minus 25. Number 2 is your 49 x to the power 4 minus 100 y to the power 4. Okay, number 3 question is your factorize x square plus 10x plus 25. And last question is your 9a square minus 66a plus 121. Okay, so this question you all try. Okay, I hope you can easily do such type of question. Okay, it's very easy questions here, so you all please try it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.